Hello, I'm in a 2013 Dodge Journey, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first, from the driver's side here, we're going to look for this safety release. So we'll pull that. It should be under little tension, and then if there's no tension at all, just double check back here. You can see a little bit. There should be like a cable back up. Yeah, I don't know if you can quite see it. There, it's right there. Make sure that's there and with a little tension. If there's nothing connected, might be part of your issue. You need to fish it out and reconnect it. But otherwise, once you're up here, this should be a little loose. In most vehicles, you're going to find the lever around the middle. So kind of feel around. So this one, we're going to push this way and lift. Push and lift. That's it. That's what it was hooked onto. And then this is what this mechanism looks like. This is what I was pushing to release. If this is tight, you might need some WD-2. Make sure there's no debris stuck in there. Otherwise, sometimes if your hood's off alignment a little bit, that might be causing issues, or this is a little off. And then again, make sure all your cables are connected properly. Worst case, these little levers aren't very expensive to replace if needed. But otherwise, I hope that was it for your needs, and hopefully you don't have too many car issues. Have a great day.